This video will help you to divide rational expressions. When dividing, copy first the dividend, then get the reciprocal of the divisor. After that, change the operation to multiplication and proceed on getting the product and reduce it to lowest term if possible. Now, let's try to answer our first example. As I have said, you're just going to copy first the dividend and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So that will become 2y over x. You're just going to interchange the position of the numerator and the denominator. After that, change the operation to multiplication and proceed on getting the product. So, multiply the numerator to the numerator and then the denominator to the denominator. But if there's an expression that you can cancel or reduce to lowest term, you can do such. So, 6 and 2 are divisible to 2. Therefore, this will become 1 and 3. What else? X squared and x, that will become x raised to 1 or simply x. What else? If there's nothing to cancel, you can now multiply everything left on the numerator after cancellation. So, 7 times x times 1 times y, that is 7xy, and then 3 times 1, that is 3. So our answer 7xy over 3 is already in simplest form. Next example. So again, you're just going to copy first the dividend and then get the reciprocal of the divisor. Change the operation to multiplication. Now, if you can factor everything, you can do such. So, x minus 4 raised to 2, you can write that as x minus 4 times x minus 4 times 3x minus 12 is factorable. So, you can write that in this form. After, you can cancel everything that is common. So, you can cancel 6 and 2. That will become 1 and 3. What else? X minus 4. So, that is 1. After that, multiply everything left on the numerator and denominator. So, we have x minus 4 over 3 times 1 third. So, x minus 4 times 1, that is x minus 4 times over 3 times 3, that is 9. And this answer is already in simplest form also. Next, oh, let's go back again to our steps. So first, copy the dividend, get the reciprocal of the divisor. After that, change the operation and then proceed to get the product by multiplying the numerator to the numerator, the denominator to the denominator. But if there are expressions that are factorable, you can factor it first. After that, cancel everything that are common. X plus 2, x plus 2, that will become 1. After that, 5x plus 2, that will become 1 also. And after that, multiply everything left on the numerator and the denominator. So 2 times 1, 2. X minus 2 times x squared, that is 2 times x squared quantity x minus 2. And the product form is this one, which is also in simplest form.